Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and remember when I said I was gonna get the new Apple TV as soon as it dropped? Well, obviously that never happened, but I got it now, right? Right? Exactly. I don't never cap. Have I ever capped to y'all before? Anyway, I just got the new Apple TV 4K and 32 gigs, and I want to go ahead and unbox this thing. So, you know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back at the legendary unboxing table, and just in case you're wondering, like, Latrell, where's all the pool balls, man? Like, that adds to the whole experience. I don't really got time to be doing all that, man. Like, that's a lot of work. I don't really feel like doing all that right now. Shit, I barely feel like doing this video if I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Nah, I'm just playing, man. I'm actually pretty hyped to do this video. What's gonna get me is when I gotta edit this video. But I always praise the Apple TV, and I'll keep praising it because even though it's expensive, like it works nice with my HomePod. Well, actually, no, that's kind of a lie. AirPlay is kind of buggy on there, but I like how it all syncs up together and all that good stuff. The way my HomePod sounds is crazy. It's like the best speaker I've ever gotten, like in terms of like the smart speakers and all that good stuff. Now that's gonna be put to rest when I get a whole home surround sound set up with Sonos, I'm pretty sure. But until then, this is dope. And plus, the Apple TV just got a nice UI as it is. Like, I like the remote besides that touchpad, so I'm glad that he did this now. But yeah, anyways, let's go and unbox this, man. So we got the Apple TV logo here in the front, and then we got the new remote. And then as you can see here, I got Apple TV 4K, so no longer an HD one like I used to have. I don't even got a 4K TV yet, but I'll get that Samsung killer soon enough. But anyways, on the back, we got the ultimate cinematic experience with the App Store, AirPlay, HomePod, AirPods, you know, good stuff like that. On the bottom, we can see that I got the 4K HDR with 32 gigs, and I would have got the 64 gigs, but it was just gonna take longer. I wasn't trying to do all that. This came the next day, and that's pretty much it around the box. So now all we gotta do is just go ahead and get this plastic wrapping off of here, just like that. And now let's go and get this thing unboxed, man, because I miss my Apple TV. I used to have one, but I sold it because I just needed the money at the time. But anyways, yeah, as you can see here, we got the Apple TV, this small little box here. Let's go and throw that to the side real quick, and then we got this new Apple TV remote. So I'm feeling this. It's kind of like the first generation Apple TV remote, as you can see. We still got the touchpad right here, but these are just buttons you can press here on the side if you want to, and I'm pretty sure this is a microphone with a power button. We got the back, we got the Apple TV button, which you could program into a home button, and then we have play and pause, volume up and down, and then we got mute. On the right side, we actually got a Siri button, and well, that's pretty much it. We got an Apple logo here in the back, but it's finally not glass like the last remote. Who in their right mind decided that glass on the remote is a good idea when my remote be falling off my bed all the time? Anyways, let's keep looking here. So we do got a power cord if I go ahead and open it up from this way. Come on, Latrell, you're not that dumb. As you can see here, it's a decent length, and it looks like the same one that came with my Mac Mini. Looking more inside the box, you can see that we actually have some Apple stickers up in here, so I do want to take that out real quick. And then we got the Apple TV user manual. So once I get this out of here, we can throw it to the side, and there we go. So you already know the move, man. What we gonna do with this? Throw it to the side. And then as you can see here, we actually have a USB-A to Lightning, so that's how you charge up the remote. And yeah, that's pretty much it inside the box. So now let's get to this Apple TV, and let's just go ahead and peel this off right here. That's the bottom with my info and stuff. And then peeling this off here, you can see that we got the ports here on the back and just this shiny side here. So we got power, HDMI, and then we got Ethernet. So that's like, we used to have more ports on here. I think we used to have USB-C and all that, but not no more. Anyway, let's go get this thing set up, man. I'll get back to y'all. Let's go and get this thing set up. Start the time lapse. Alright, as you can see, we're all done. Alright, y'all, so we're here in my living room right now, and as you can see, I got this Apple TV pulled up right here, and something I forgot to mention is that we do actually have a lightning port here at the bottom of the Apple TV remote. But just looking around here, I already got a few apps on here already, and we actually got Apple Fitness Plus on here, which I wasn't expecting. This thing's been working pretty good for me, man. Like, it's pretty fast, like it works well for my HomePod, like there's really no issues with it right now for me. And it's actually been working better with my HomePod than it was before with my old Apple TV that I used to have. So I don't know if it's an update or the new Apple TV or what, but it's working good for me. And as you can see here, just pulling it up right away, the volume already works on here. Well, it's not connected to my sound bar, but it does automatically detect the TV, and then the volume controls on there. And if I go to my video and audio, automatically it's on 4K HDR, as you can see. Now I can actually go ahead and pair my sound bar if I want to. Now I'm not really sure if it's gonna be compatible because I got an elector, but we could try anyway. So we go to the settings, we go to remotes and devices, we scroll down, and then we click on volume control. From there, you just go to learn new device, and then you just go ahead and follow the steps here. So it says press and hold the volume up button. So all I gotta do is just do that real quick, and oh, it actually did work. So cool. Now let's try volume down, and it worked too. Now let's go and do mute, and it looks like it's working perfectly fine. So now all I gotta do is just put elector in here. So now I can actually use my Apple TV remote. So if I go down here and press the volume button, you will see that it works now. So Kudos to you, Apple. This is some of the reasons why I'll always love my Apple TV, because it's just seamless and it's pricey, but it's nice, man. I definitely use this over WebOS on my LG TV. I just wouldn't use it over Tizen on my Samsung Smart TV. But y'all, that's pretty much gonna do it for me. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at DecentTech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And let me know, would you get the new Apple TV? Let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.